In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Calendar appointment schedule to your Wix website so people can use it to book a call with you at a specific time. So here's what you need to do. So first we need to actually find the embed section of your Google Calendar schedule. Now, if you've already created one, which if you're watching this video, you most likely have, if you go to create and then you go and try and create another one, or you look for the same one, you're not going to find it. The only way that you can find it is by going to a date and a time that you've said you're available. So for me, that is these dates here. And you then need to click on the available times. So you will see it because it will say call availability. Click on it, then click on share. And what that will do is it will open up your appointment schedule. And here you can share it via a link. But in our case, we need to go to website embed. And you can then choose if you want a button with a pop-up, or the one I showed in the intro is the inline booking page. Go ahead and copy the code, then go to Wix, and you need to make room for it. So probably go ahead and add a new section. To do that, you can obviously click add section. I'm just going to put mine here though. Now go to the plus icon and add elements. Then you need to search, and you need to search here for HTML. So once you've done search, this will appear, search HTML, click enter, and you're looking here for the embed HTML widget. Click on it, and it's going to add it then to your website. Then click enter code and paste in the code that you've embedded here, then click update. That should then recognize the code, and in a second, once we just drag this out to obviously meet our page, drag this in a little bit, and there you go. You've now added your Google Calendar appointment schedule to Wix, then go and publish it, and that is all you have to do. People will then be able to use this to select a date and time to book a call with you.